Aged, like a fine wine. Have you ever heard that phrase? The truth is that for a long time, the more practical things in our lives got more attention and become habits in our modern lives. But what makes our health better and our life happier is direct contact with nature. It is very common now for people to want to have a garden and various houseplants. We strive to learn more about the foods we consume and the nutritional benefits they can provide us. It is very important to know what the food we eat has to offer us. For instance, aloe vera is very beneficial to our skin and hair. Did you know you can make a homemade aloe shampoo? Some advantages of using a homemade shampoo are how well it keeps our hair moistured for longer periods of time. It can also help you avoid allergy and health issues while improving the texture and health of our hair. It also reduces dandruff and hair loss, all while brightening hair color. All these reasons are why it's a great idea to use a natural aloe vera shampoo. If you want to moisturize, strengthen and make your hair grow faster and healthier, try this recipe for a simple aloe vera shampoo. Ingredients: 2 aloe vera leaves, 2 ounces of water, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Feel free to replace that with any other vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. Directions: cut the aloe leaves and remove the gel with a spoon. Put the gel in a blender with the water. Gradually add the olive oil and coconut milk. Once blended, add the mixture into your regularly used shampoo bottle. Wait until your shampoo bottle reaches about half empty. Shake and mix well to combine the aloe mixture and shampoo. Apply this mixture once or twice a week. Since it is homemade, the best way of keeping it fresh is by storing it in the fridge or a cool area. Understand that you will not have immediate results. Develop a routine and over time you will see the multitude of benefits this mixture has on your hair. If you enjoyed this content and felt it was a rejuvenating experience, please like and subscribe.